Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have decided to upload a new video, and this video will be very useful for you because I think correct pronunciation is the key to learn English language, and unless until we take deep interest in pronouncing a word correctly, we are not going to get success in our life. So today I have written some words which are commonly used in our life, but we do not pay enough heed for its correct pronunciation, and we often mispronounce these words in our life, and that becomes absolutely a nuisance for us because we do not know how to pronounce these words in a correct manner. So if we improve our pronunciation skills, then our English will certainly become effective, and we will be able to cast impression on others on ground of correct pronunciation. So you will have to pay heed to what I say to you in this video. So today here I have written some words, and these words are often mispronounced. So try to understand how these words are pronounced correctly and become a proficient learner of this language. So first of all is August. Now August here means, August has two meanings. First meaning is August, and it means bhavya ya pratapi, splendid and magnificent. These synonyms will be splendid and magnificent for this word August. And if you use this word as bhavya ya pratapi, then you will have to pronounce it as August. August. So Maharana Pratap was an August king. Bhavya Raja the. So, and if you want to pronounce it as a month, then you will have to pronounce it as August. It will be pronounced as August. So इसका मतलब है कि अगर आप भव्य के रूप में इसको अगर उच्चारण करना चाहते हैं तो इसका उच्चारण हो जाएगा ऑगस्ट. महाराणा प्रताप वॉज एन ऑगस्ट किंग. और इसका अगर जो है आप महीने के रूप में उच्चारण करना चाहेंगे, इफ यू वांट टू प्रोनाउंस इट बाय टेलिंग अस द पर्टिकुलर मंथ, देन यू विल हैव टू प्रोनाउंस इट एज ऑगस्ट. In August, September, October, November and December, in that way, August and August. Now the next is, it will be pronounced as hero. So we often mispronounce this word as saying hero, and you will have to understand this thing that this word is always pronounced as hero. You will have to pronounce it as hero. There are many heroes in our Bollywood industry who have earned name and fame by dint of perseverance and sheer hard work. So next is privilege. It will be pronounced as privilege. Privilege means Visheshadhikar. If you have the privilege to laugh at me, then I have the privilege to be indifferent to you. कि अगर आपको पास ये हक है कि आप मेरे ऊपर हंसें, तो मेरे को भी ये हक है कि मैं आपको अनदेखा करूं. सो privilege, it will be pronounced as privileged, and this mark is suggests that the word which the letter which we are about to speak after this stress will be pronounced with great stress. So next is autobiography. This is autobiography. Autobiography. It means Atmakatha. So it is not pronounced as autobiography. It will be pronounced as autobiography. Atmakatha. And Jeevani will be pronounced as biography. Jeevani. And in the same way, biology. In science you have heard the word biology. So in that way, autobiography. And next is women. This is the plural of the word woman. The singular will be woman, and in plural it will be pronounced as women. And next is theory. Theory means Siddhant. Theory. So it will be pronounced as not theory. it will be pronounced as theory. And next is bury. This word will be pronounced as bury. Instead of racking up dead issues, let's bury the hatchet. So in that way, bury matlab गाड़ना. Next is cadet. NCC. The full form of NCC is National Cadet and Corps. So it will not be pronounced as cadet, it will be pronounced as cadet. And in the same way, CANAL will be pronounced as canal. Canal yani neher. It will be pronounced as canal. Indira Gandhi Canal. And in that way, all the words, these words will be pronounced as canal, neher. And this is Kshitij. This word is called in Hindi is Kshitij, and it will be pronounced as horizon. Horizon. Our horizon have widened. हमारे जो है क्षितिज फैल गए हैं. मतलब horizon is a point where earth and sky seem to meet is called horizon, and the center point of the sky is called zenith. ZENITH, zenith. And next is, this word is oftenly mispronounced, and the correct pronunciation is period. Period. And we often speak this word as period, and today this will prove to be an eye opener for you because you have up to now pronounced it as period. And let me make you rectify your mistake, and from today you will have to speak it as period. And the next is jeopardy. Jeopardy means deep crisis, and the synonyms will be crisis, calamity, jeopardy, dilemma. These will be correct, will be synonyms. Jeopardy, crisis and dilemma. Dilemma means धर्म संकट. धर्म संकट को इंग्लिश में हम क्या कहते हैं? Dilemma. धर्म संकट is in English called dilemma. So in that way, dilemma and all these words will be pronounced in that way. And so jeopardy, and don't try to jeopardize. The verb will be jeopardize the situation. And the next is majestic. Majestic. It will be pronounced as majestic. Your Majesty. When we speak MAJESTY, then it will be pronounced as majesty. And whenever we pronounced it as an adjective, then it will be pronounced as majestic. He walks majestically. He is a majestic means शान शौकत से भरपूर. That will be called majestic. And that the next is melody. Melody means madhurta. So this word will be pronounced as melody. And Lata Mangeshkar was a melody queen. So in that way is a melody queen. Melody. And adjective will be melodious. In the pronunciation will be different. Adjective will be melodious and noun will be melody. So in that way. Next is police. Police. It will be pronounced as police, not police. Police is not a correct pronunciation. We have up to now pronounced it as police, and correct pronunciation will be police. Next is preparation. Preparation means tayari, or verb will be prepare and noun will be preparation. Next is realm. It will be pronounced as realm. Realm means samrajya, realm, empire. So in that way. And the next is Renaissance. Renaissance. Renaissance means punarjagaran, in the era of Renaissance. So in that way, RENAISSANCE, Renaissance means punarjagaran, Renaissance. And the next is sachet. Sachet means पैकेट. कोई किसी का पैकेट है तो इसका उच्चारण होगा sachet. Next is sponge. Sponge is a thing which we use to absorb the water. And next is thara. Aam. Thara. thoroughfare, आम रास्ता, तो it will pronounce as thorough, and through will be used as through and thorough. And next is tyranny. Tyranny means जो है तानाशाही, tyranny, and the synonym will be absolutism. तानाशाही, absolutism, tyranny. And the next is tortoise. Tortoise. So these are some common words I have written and I have tried to pronounce them in a correct manner. So it is your duty to follow in my footsteps and try to pronounce these words in a correct manner, because only our correct manner, our correct pronunciation will help us achieve eminence, achieve perfection in this language. Thank you and good night.